Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today guys, I am going Thanksgiving shopping, and you already know where I'm going. My favorite store. I'm going to ALDI'S. I want to be there when they're open, but I'm probably not gonna make it. It's 8:54, but I'm on my way there now, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below, are you ready for the holidays? But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me while I go shopping, and let's see how this Thanksgiving shopping goes, and I will see y'all later. So y'all, I am in here with a list. So I'm checking up my list as I go, because I don't want to forget nothing. When I say nothing, nothing. So I already got stuff that's not on my list. So I'm doing Thanksgiving shopping and regular shopping. So I got some paper plates, some foil. Y'all, foil is $3.29. It used to be $1 for foil. Life as an adult. So crazy. Alright, I don't need nothing for here. I need to get rice. This is the best cheese ever. Gouda cheese on the mac and cheese. Top tier. Top tier. Hey y'all, this is everything I got from ALDI'S. Y'all wouldn't believe how much I spent. I did so good. Alright y'all, I am in the car about to leave ALDI'S. I am going to run into Walmart real quick because I need heavy whipping cream and soda. And then I gotta go to the meat store. So let's head to Walmart. This right here is so good. And then it said you want perhaps, but I think that's the one that's down there. Oh yeah. Let me just go now. Yo, this is $4. A pack of 12 is $7. Soda. But this was $2, so I got it. But this tastes so good. I had to get two. And I usually don't drink soda like that, but that one, that is so good. So now I need to get some heavy whipping cream. And that's it. And maybe some let me get out of the way. I need some heavy whipping cream. And then I got one more stop, and then I'm out of here. Oh, I need to get some diapers. I'll come back this way. Oh, let me get cookies. I got a cookie monster at the house. He has to have cookies. Y'all, these are the best diapers. I recently just switched to them. Don't flick, okay? But I may get these and pull-ups because I might get these and pull-ups because I am party training my daughter. But let's see if they have party training pants in here. Oh, they do have it. I don't know if I should get the big pack. I don't think she's ready for the big pack yet. I think she's ready. I'm not ready. I don't know if I'm ready for the pull-ups. I'ma just wait. I'ma just get her some diapers. Maybe next time. Because I'm not ready. Y'all, this is super cute, but I know my boyfriend needs a new gaming chair. And I know he likes Mario, but the length, he probably won't be able to even fit in it. But this is cute. See, the length says 33 inches. I don't even think that would be big enough. Yeah. Maybe I could look it up on TikTok, y'all, and see. Maybe somebody has it. Or this one. This one says length 75. Wait, so what's that one? Because that one has two lengths. Oh, 84. 84. And this one is 75. Okay, well, I'll keep this in mind for him for Christmas because homeboy need a new gaming chair. Okay, I got these. I hope my daughter can fit it because I know last year they ran big. So hopefully they run big this year. Oh, they have a bumper car. Oh, this is too cute. Okay, this might be something I can get for her. I wonder, can you ride this outside? Because our apartment is not big enough for this. But this is cute. Okay. I'm putting stuff on the list now. I'm near the Christmas area because I can smell the Christmas stuff. I just need some faux snow spray. Let's see if I find it. Alright, y'all. So the last place, I honestly don't know why it's so dark. The last place I am going to is the meat market for some oxtails. If they're no more than $8 or $9, then I'm gonna get some. If it's too much in it, I'm not getting it. Okay, so they're $8.99 a pound. I'ma just get a little bit. But that's still not bad. Say hi, Daddy-o.
Oh, I ain't camera ready.
He's gonna put up the groceries.
Get my good side.
Get your good side. Okay, so he's gonna put up the groceries. Well, you said only this, right? Hey y'all, so I made it back home, and well, obviously y'all saw that. And oh, he didn't lock the door. We put up the groceries, and then now I am going to juice, cook dinner. Just gonna make some tacos real quick. I'm making it early. It's only 12, but at least I'm gonna do everything now, and then I'll get to chill and relax, edit, do what I gotta do later. But yeah, it was a very quick haul. So I've only spent like 80, 40, 90. Okay, I spent about like 150. I did pretty good. I'm proud of myself. So yeah, I also just was getting prepared, getting things early, because next week the only thing I need to get is the collard greens. Because I'm not trying to be in the stores. I know everybody's gonna be going crazy and stuff, so, and I don't like to do stuff last minute. So the only thing I'm gonna be needing is some collard greens, which I'm gonna get on Tuesday. Well, I work. Oh yeah, on Tuesday I'll get the collard greens. My mama got the pans, so I'm gonna go get the pans to my mama's house and give her her stuff. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. It's coming up soon. I hope you guys have a nice time in the stores, and I hope you guys get everything you need. And then I'm also going to make a video about Thanksgiving tips. But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video because I'm rambling. But I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Did you like this video yet? I'll wait. I'll give you a little second. Okay, thank you. Okay, you like this video, you subscribe, and comment down below where did you go Thanksgiving shopping at. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.